We'll see the AWT class text field. So at the top of the hierarchy, object is the superclass for the text field. From object class, there is a subclass component, and again one is the intermediate class that is called as a text component. This text component class deal with the text field as well as the text area. From this text component class, text field class is created. So at the bottom there is a text field, and at the top object is the superclass. So let's start with the text field constructor. Look at the figure. In this figure, there are the text field. One is this, other is the second text field that is disabled, and third is the rest text field. So how it is created in a Java? By using a text field class. So first constructor is a text field. By using this constructor, we can create a new text field. The second constructor is a text field integer column. By using this constructor, we can create a text field in bracket columns. If you specified here 20 columns, then text field of 20 column is created. If you specify text field in bracket 40, then it will create a text field for the 40 characters. The third constructor is as below. The text field in bracket string text. If you want to create a text field which having some specified text already, so look at this. In this text field disable, there is a sample text. This sample text is a text which is specified by using a string text. So this is the third constructor, and fourth one is a text field in bracket text and comma column. This is the specified text. It is shown in the text field, and int number of columns means number of columns you want to display in the text field. So text field having some constructors. So look at this figure I am showing you here. We created 4 text field. One is tf1, other is tf2. This is the third text field tf3, which showing some sample hello, and tf4. This is also giving some this. It can be created by using just 4 line of code in a Java. So look at this. I am writing a text field tf1, tf2, tf3, tf4. So these are the text field references. Now tf1 equal to new text field, it will create a blank text field. Look at this one. This is the blank text field. Now by next tf equal to new text field in bracket quotation blank and comma 20. So it will create a text field of 20 character. Look at this. This is text field 2. It contains we can enter 20 character in this text field. Now by using tf3 equal to new text field in bracket hello. So this hello is a predefined in a text display. So look at this tf3. In this text field there is a predefined string, that is hello, is showing in this text tf3. tf4 equal to new text field in bracket hello comma 30. So this is the fourth constructor which showing I am giving the character string hello as well as a number of column, that is 30 columns here. So by using these 4 constructor, we can create a text field in Java. So text field having some methods for extracting the data or for setting the data. There are, look at this first one is a string getText method. Suppose if you want to read data which is entered by user in a text field, then we have to use this method getText that return the string which is entered by user. So second method is the setText method. If you want to set some text to the text field, then we can use this method setText in bracket string str. If you want to display some text in the text field, then you can write t1 dot set text in bracket text which you want to display in the text field. Suppose here I am displaying welcome to Java T point in the text field. So I just write t1 dot set text in bracket welcome to Java T point. So that text is displayed in this text field. So third one is a getSelectedText method. By using this method, if I select from this character T to Java, just I drag this from T to Java, so it will display the characters from T to JAVA. So by using this method, we can just extract some part of the text which is selected by the user. Fourth one is a select method. So by using this select method, we can select a particular part, that is from start index to end index. If you as I specify from 3 to 5 characters, then it will take LCO. So this is character number 3 and character number 4 and character number 5. So by using this method select, we can extract starting index and end index of the text. Next is editable. This method returns either true or false. If the text field is editable, then it returns true, and if the text field is disabled, then it returns false. Set editable. We can set a method to a text field. By using this method, we can set editable in bracket value boolean can edit. Say if you specify set editable in bracket true, then we can enter text in the text field. Set echo character ch. So when you enter a password, it is in a text field, that password characters are not displayed in that password field because that characters are hidden. So that character means it will display star star star. This star is set by using a method set echo character in bracket char ch. Here char ch is a star, that's why it's showing a star while entering the password. If you want to set another characters like question mark, then you can set also question mark here by using a set echo character in bracket question mark. Then while entering a password, it display the question mark. So let's moving on the example. I will give you practical example how text fields are created in Java. So look at this from the starting. So all import.awt is the main class to localize the AWT classes like button, text field and label. Second, for event handling, that java.awt.event.star. And third, because we are creating applet here, that's why I'm writing here import java.applet.star. So this is the applet code. The applet code equal to text field demo. This is the name of class text field demo. This class we are created, and width of applet is 400 and height of applet is 250. Now let's begin with creating a class text field demo. Public class text field demo, which is extended from applet and implements action listener. Here I am using action listener. It is a predefined interface in Java which is used to create action listener. Next, text field. I am creating a two text field. One is a name and another is a pass. These are the two references of text field. Now I initialize the applet by using public void init method. Open curly brace. Now for label, I am using a class label. Label object is a name p. New label name label.write. Next, again I am creating a new label, that is for password. New label password. So it is display in the applet, that is enter your name and password at the label.write. Now name equal to new text field. This text field I'm creating which having a 12 character. Another I'm creating a text field for password, that is pass equal to new text field in bracket 8. Now I'm setting pass dot set echo character. Instead of displaying star, I'm taking here the question mark for password. So while entering the password, it will display instead of star, it will display question mark, question mark, question mark. So add these name p and name. First of all, label, and second is the text field. Second, this is the label pass p, and this is the text field. So we can add two label and two text field by using these four lines on the applet. Now for event handling, we must register both text field. So for registration purpose, we use the name of object dot add action listener method and bracket this. So this is the register, and pass dot add action listener this. So when we register the event, then and only it will receive the request, and we can perform the action. In action perform method, it will take one object, it is action event object, and I just call the repaint method of paint. Now save this program, come to the command prompt and just compile it and run this program. So and watch the output, what it gives the output. So run by using applet, because this is applet, that's why we take a text field. So look, this by using this program we create two text field. This is the label name and text field. This is the label password, and this is the text field. So this above code shows it create the label first, second, and these are the two text field which is showing on the program. So these two text field and two labels are created. Now when I type here something, nothing is happen. When I type here password, it will display the question mark instead of star. Why it is happen? Because due to this I am using a set echo character star. Instead of star, I am using a question mark here. If you specify any character, then it will display in that password field. So event is not handled in this program. Now you have to write the code to handle the event. When I click on the, when I entered some text in the text field, so I am extending this code for event handling. So I want to print some I want to use some methods, that is getText method and getSelectedText. So I am writing here like public void print graphics.g. Now g draw string method, I want to show the content of name which is entered by user. So I'm extracting the content by using a method that we already seen, that is the name of object of text field, and the method name is getText. So and I'm displaying on this. So we can extract data from the text field. Now just save this file and compile it by using Java C. Now run this. This is the applet, that's why I'm writing here applet viewer text field So look at here. This is two text boxes and this is name here. It is not showing before when we run this program. Now in the name text field I write something, that is I'm writing ramming here. Now minimize this button and maximize this button, so it will show the content of name equals in bracket gramming. So this is done by using a method getText. So this method is used to extract data from a text field. Now I am extracting a data which is entered by user and displaying by using a getDrawString method and displaying on the applet on x-axis and this is y-axis. Now again I extend this code. I want to take some selected part of the text, so I'm writing the extending code just as. So look at this getDrawString. I want to take select text from getSelectedText method. So this is getSelectedText method. Now I increase by it is 100. Now saving this file and again recompiling it and again run this program. So look at this. It is again text field and password. Now in name I am writing Grameen Polytechnic, and from here I just write anything here. So when I want to extract only these four words, so that's I am selecting POLY. Now minimize this applet and again I am maximizing this. So look at here. First is showing what we entered, that is Grameen Polytechnic by using getText method. In the second line it's showing only POLY. So when I select the particular characters, it will display only those characters. Now I select POLYTY Polytechnic. Look at this, I am selecting this and again minimizing until and unless action is not performed. Now look at this, it is showing Polytechnic. So this is the method getSelectedText which is used. Now I want to take password extend which is entered by user. So I am again extending this code. So for instead of name I am writing here password. Now I want to extract the data from the password text field. So I am writing here pass object, the name of object pass.getText, and it is showing on 6,120. Now save this again, compile this program by using recompile it because we modified the code and run this. Now look at this window, it contains two text field, name and password. So again I am writing a name here, Grameen Polytechnic, and password, that is computer. So look, it is not displaying anything here, just perform the action by minimizing and maximizing window. Now look at this, this is the name Grameen Polytechnic and password is computer. Whatever I've entered here, that is extracted by using password computer. And this here I am not selecting anything, that's why it is not extracted. Suppose I am selecting these three characters and again minimize and maximize, then it will display the selected character. So these are some methods we can use with the text field for extraction of data for selected data. So these some methods we use in the text field. So